macOS High Sierra news, updates and features. Apple's macOS 10.13 High Sierra launched 2 years ago now, and is obviously not the current Mac operating system. That honor goes to macOS 10.14 Mojave. But, because Mojave increased the system requirements by a significant margin, many people will be using macOS High Sierra for years to come. And, we're not complaining. During its time in the sun, macOS High Sierra has become one of the best Mac operating systems yet, even if it did face some problems at first. However, all the launch issues have been patched out, and macOS High Sierra is fast and easy to use operating system, and will remain so for years. And, while macOS did include some time-saving photo editing tools and a whole new file system, but macOS wasn't immune from criticism at launch. Namely, it was criticized for simply iterating on Sierra, just like Mountain Lion did after Lion. Still, just because the improvements are relatively minor, doesn't mean they aren't there, so we're going to explore everything there is to know about macOS High Sierra. Cut to the chase. What is it? The 2017 edition of Apple's Mac operating system, macOS. When is it out? Available to install now. What will it cost? macOS High Sierra is free to download. Apple revealed macOS 10.13 High Sierra at the WWDC 2017 keynote, which is no surprise, given Apple's tradition of announcing the latest version of its Mac software at its annual developer event. However, it wasn't until September 12 that Apple revealed that High Sierra would launch little more than a week later, on September 25. There was a developer beta of the operating system you could enroll in leading to the final release, but that's not necessary anymore. The final build of macOS 10.13 has been out in the wild for more than a year now. The final build of macOS High Sierra 10.13.6 is available right now. Beside a few bug fixes, it integrates AirPlay 2 into iTunes, though you will need to update iTunes to take advantage of it. You can download the update from the Mac App Store. More importantly, this update contains the bug fix that stops the Core i9 MacBook Pro from thermal throttling. Safari 12 is also available for macOS High Sierra users, which not only supports website icons in your tabs, but also has better security. Websites, for instance, won't be able to track your specific Mac when using the native web browser.